How to use dish soap to get rid of ladybugs. Ladybugs are also known as lady beetles or ladybird beetles. They can be red, yellow, pink, orange, or black in color and usually have spots. They eat many insects, including aphids and spider mites, and can eat as many as 5,000 bugs in their lifetime. Ladybugs can overrun your home, garden, or backyard. Dish soap is something you can use to get rid of a ladybug infestation. Things you will need: dish soap, spray bottle, vacuum, bowl, water. How to get rid of ladybugs using dish soap. Fill a spray bottle with water. Add 2 teaspoons of dish soap. Shake bottle. Spray ladybugs until they are saturated with the soapy mixture. Vacuum up dead ladybugs. Place a bowl of the same soapy mixture next to a light source, either a light or window, since ladybugs are attracted to light. Ladybugs will land in the water and drown. Empty and refill the bowl as needed. Tips: warnings. Ladybugs don't like lemon scent. Place lemon-scented candles near the area where they are causing an infestation.